Mr. Hardik Panchal. For any of your corporate filming and photography needs, he is around. You have your stand is also around. So on that note, I would now okay. I would now run around the partner ecosystem company profiling of MarsBazaar.com. So before I recognize our state level vendors, I would like to say that in last 1 year alone, Mars Bazaar has been proud to associate with 50 plus B2C vendors. So these are the companies, industrial companies who have put their trust on us कि आप कुछ भी मतलब इंडस्ट्रीज का काम हो, मार्स बाजार के साथ हम लोग हैं और आगे भी रहेंगे. So these are from architecture to HVAC to someone like Mr. Mukesh Kothari, who I am very proud to say that we've already provided 12 plus connections or leads to Mr. Mukesh Kothari. Apart from that, MarsBazaar.com partner ecosystem also includes membership of FGI, CII, BDMA, VCCI. Mr. Nikhil Sudhar is here. We've just recently started our relationship. In this event also our ecosystem partners are Vadodara Startup Studio, Parul University Ventures. We have 2 offices in Bharuch and Vadodara, team of 18 plus strong team members and a database of more than 10,000 industrial units which are live, and we keep on adding new industries which get set up in Gujarat every month. So on that note, I would quickly run through all our state level vendors. If you are around, please rise on your place so we can recognize you in person also. So we have Mr. Sirish Bendale. It gives me great pleasure, sir. He was our first vendor who associated with MarsBazaar.com. He's into Tata Steel product supply, and USB is 20 years in business with more than 300 regular clients. So any of your steel needs, please contact him. Then we have Mirasan Energies. Do we have Mr. Amrish Joshi around? No, I don't think he's around. He's into planning and commissioning of solar PV plants in industries and more than 6 megawatts of installations with clients like L&T. We have Krutarth Enviro and Legal Solutions, Mr. Maulik Pandya, who is into GPCB, consultancy, industrial wastewater treatment with clients like Banco, Jindal Rail, Elysium Pharma and more. Then we have tech services. Do we have Mr. Manjeet Dal around? He is into IT and networking. We have his representative there. He is into IT and networking, hardware solutions. All of our company laptops come from him. And his clients include esteemed companies like Matrix, Elysium Pharmaceuticals, Bajaj Finserv, Munjal Auto and more. Mr. Jinesh, okay. So Mafatlal by Shriram, they are into corporate uniform manufacturers. So their specialty, Hania Sahib, is into chemical and pharmaceutical uniforms. Beluja tax burns ne badu prevent karwa. Then we have Shivanand Pest Control, Mr. Keyur Joshi. They are into total industrial pest control service provision. Clients include LIC, Siemens, RR Cable, Bank of India and more. Then we have Almighty Shipping and Logistics Private Limited, Mr. Mitesh Pandya. It is through him that we've recently bagged a warehouse project of Aditya Birla Grasim. We thank him so much. He is into export and import logistics solutions through sea, air and land. Then we have Autograph. Do we have? Please, sir. He's come all the way from Surat, Mr. Narendra. We have started our vendor onboarding from Surat with him. He is into signage, LED board, graphics and other such industrial signage solutions. Then we have Equinet Security Systems, Mr. Mehul Shah. Their profile is they work with Reliance, IOCL, such companies, and Equinet is around India into installation of CCTV metal detector system, manufacturing, fire alarm and so on and so forth. Then we have Mrs. Varsha from Energy Box Solutions. They are into electrical turnkey project and electrical product dealer. They are into turnkey power generation, distribution and electrification. Do we have Mr. Paresh from Arya Group over here? if you are around, sir, please stand up. So Arya is a very special project wherein we've just started our first industrial estate B2B association, wherein MarsBazaar.com has been given a mandate to not only sell but onboard all the vendors, all the approvals, permissions that are needed in a industrial park which is on the road to Statue of Unity, 8 kilometers from Dabhoi. So any one of you are interested, the investment is starting from 18,75,000 with around 2,500 square feet of area, and cold storage, logistics, warehousing and other such companies can be established there. And our first ever B2B association, उनकी यहाँ पे brochures है आगे. They are a company called Hydrogen Gentech Private Limited. We have Mr. Siddharth Gupta sir here with us. He is our one and only B2B company who have trusted के कौशल जी हमारी company Newberg Engineering Limited across the globe है, लेकिन मुझे गुजरात में हाइड्रोजन मैन्युफैक्चरिंग, नॉट ओनली हाइड्रोजन, हाइड्रोजन ऑक्सीजन नाइट्रोजन प्योरिफिकेशन एंड मैन्युफैक्चरिंग प्लांट डालने का मैं आपको मार्केटिंग और सेल्स का ट्रस्ट देता हूँ. एंड सर थैंक यू सो मच फॉर दैट अपॉर्चुनिटी. विल ऑलवेज लुक फॉरवर्ड टू मैनी मोर सच एसोसिएशंस. सो ऑन दैट नोट, this is the partner ecosystem and this is just the start. We heard such a wonderful session that we hope that a lot of other categories in the turnkey solution provision of MarsBazaar.com are not yet filled, which I think after this event will fill. And not to stop you any further from the delicious snacks, we have a final vote of thanks. Milind Mehta sir has just left. Dr. Bharat sir, kind enough to come from Ahmedabad. Mr. Kalpesh Parmar, Mr. Sanjay Saraswat, Mr. Mrugesh Kothari, Mr. Nikhil Suthar, Mr. Ravi Oza, Hania Sahib, Mr. Makran Joshi, our sponsors, Mr. Hardik Panchal, Kunal Desai, and all the others, lawyers, bankers, professionals, industrial association, office bearers and members who are around. We need your support if we want to take the concept of MSME Manthan forward. And last but not the least, a huge thank you to each and everyone who spent their valuable 3 hours and be present in this forum. I cannot thank you enough on behalf of the team MarsBazaar.com for coming here. So with immense humility and gratitude, I formally end this event with this wonderful message. किसी ने खूब कहा है कि खोल दे पंख कहता है परिंदा, खोल दे पंख कहता है परिंदा, अभी और उड़ान बाकी है. जमीन नहीं है मंजिल मेरी, जमीन नहीं है मंजिल मेरी, अभी पूरा आसमान बाकी है. थैंक यू सो मच. दैट वाज ऑल. There are snacks in the background. Please help yourself.